The guavas reach the end of the dry conveyor and funnel into a polished stainless steel chute. They slide down rapidly.
The wet guavas pass under a series of high-velocity air knives. Powerful blasts of air strip the water droplets from the surface of the fruit.
The single mass of guavas is separated into 12 distinct single-file lanes by plastic guide rails. The lanes of guavas enter a dark, enclosed tunnel machine. The interior emits a flickering light, A high-speed mechanical paddle shoots out, slapping a rejected guava off the main belt into a seconds bin with a distinct thud. Transition to peeling. The guavas travel up a steep, cleated elevator conveyor, moving from the sorting floor to the upper level.
The guavas drop into a rotary singulation wheel. Huge pockets catch individual guavas and orient them vertically.
A view inside the dicer shows a grid of razor-sharp cross blades moving up and down at a blur. The guavas are forced through the grid.
A fine mist of ascorbic acid, vitamin C solution, is sprayed over the guava cubes as they travel. This prevents
spinning rollers press the edge of the lid against the can body, crimping the metal shut in a blur of motion to create a hermetic, airtight seal.
Cooling cycle. Cold water is pumped into the retort to cool the cans rapidly. Steam releasing a massive cloud of water.
The guava mash is pumped onto a porous belt press. A series of rollers the mash between two belts.
Dry pomace. The solid remains of the guavas emerge from the end of the press. Dry, flat cakes of guava skins and seeds.
The clear guava juice enters a towering vacuum evaporator. Steam heats the juice to boil off water.
In the blending room, water is mixed back into the concentrate. Large mixer blades churn the liquid, restoring it to the natural consistency.
Brix levels are slightly low here and the pH is high. Adjusting now, looks stable. We are within the target profile.
The blended guava juice flows through a plate heat exchanger. The liquid is rapidly heated to 85 degrees Celsius for just a few seconds.
The soft guavas are pushed through a fine mesh screen by rotating paddles. This creates a silky, smooth guava.
The smoothie mix is pumped through a high-pressure homogenizer. Pistons pump rhythmically, breaking down particles. Plastic screw caps are applied over the foil seal. The machine tightens them, and the bottles of guava smoothie move to the sleever. The smoothie bottles are grouped into trays of 12. A machine wraps the tray in clear plastic film.
The mass spec data on the fruit pulp looks good.
Agreed. The juice viscosity is also holding steady across all runs.
The mass spec data on the fruit pulp looks good.
Agreed. The juice viscosity is also holding steady across all runs.
Flow rate is up 15% on line 3.
Acknowledged. Adjusting valves now. The color saturation is perfect.
Excellent. Smooth sailing for this batch.
We picked so many perfect guavas today, barely any waste.
Nice. Looks like you guys had a good run.
Make sure they scan every case of the guava juice before you sign off.
Roger that. Did you double check the weight permit?
Yeah, it's all squared away.
guava juice. Can we get this one, Mommy?
Yes, sweetie. Into the cart it goes. And then he spilled the guava juice all over the table. Remember that, Mom?
Oh, I do. It was everywhere.